Hey y'all, here we are getting the snow shoveled out. As you can see, we got mounds and mounds of snow everywhere. They got 2 plows going through the campground right now, tractor and truck. We've gotten almost 20 inches of snow, expecting another 10 today. Tent's holding up great. As you can see, I just got done sweeping the roof, but we got, just icicles hanging off this thing. We are doing good though. The tent is holding up great. Roof is perfect. We are able to keep it at 70 degrees inside. Sorry about the mess, folks. It's a little messy right now. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. We are still deep in the snow. So I will update you guys again later and let you know how the tent's doing. We're throwing ice, we're shoveling, we're getting it done. Talk to you guys soon.